Greetings Diecast Racing fans and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for another unboxing, but this time it is the 2024 Advent Calendars from both Matchbox and HotWheels. I was gifted one and I managed to pick the other up. This will be part of a two-part because once we've got the cars sorted out I will race them off in another episode in a few weeks' time. Because I don't think there'll be time today to unbox everything and to race everything off without it being a stupidly long video. So there may be a sign up going up tomorrow morning to sign up for some of these cars. It will be done as a winner stays on format. We'll see how that goes. But before we get into all of that, don't forget to do the usual things like, comment and subscribe. Right, I'm going to start with the Matchbox one and then move on to the Hot Wheels. So, according to this, there are 11 Matchbox cars in here, plus all the other bits. Advent calendar. We have a dioramery part, and I'm guessing that there's all bits that clip together and all the rest of it. As far as the racing goes, I'm going to try and do Matchbox Hot Wheels, Matchbox Hot Wheels, Matchbox Hot Wheels, because there are 8 in there. So let's get this one undone and start getting into the actual opening. So tape holds the front on, that drops down. On the back we have a punch out and that and this bit and this bit come out to create a stand. On the back here, which does give you a sneaky peek at some of the vehicles inside, or it gives me a sneaky peek at some of the vehicles inside. I don't know whether all of these will manage to make it down the racetrack or not, because some of them I can see are on quite big wheels. So let's get this over to the back. Interestingly, I think that some of these are very similar to other years. I've seen that one before and these, I've seen that one before, both of which I don't think will fit down the track, so we'll have to see. Right, so on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me this one here, which is not going to run down the track, but is a very blue skidoo. On the second day of Christmas, we got a traffic cone. Put that at the back. 3. I'll probably crop this to keep it as short as possible. I've got a sticker. This reminds me very much of the one the other year. 4. Where's 4? There's 5. There's 4 at the bottom here. Probably another vehicle. Yes, it is. It's the off-road Beetle, which may or may not go out the start gate, but will make a very nice noise. So that 5 we said was over here. Find a punch out. Got a log pile. Good dioramery stuff. 6 is up here. Maybe another sticker. Oh, it's the first of the reindeers. I'm guessing there's going to be 2 reindeers and a sleigh. 7. There's another traffic cone. That's good. 8. The reason I left this till now is because then anybody that got this for Christmas wouldn't have had it spoiled for them. But Porsche, now that off-road Porsche would probably do quite well in racing. Hang on a minute, you can't see them at the bottom here. Let's move that back a bit. Right, let's move the camera to the side. Okay, let's put those over there. So we've got the off-road Porsche. Right, where did we get up to? 7, I think. Where's 8? 9. What did we get? Well, was that 8? That was 8. This is 9. Oh, cool. Reminds me very much of the Santa movie that came out, Red One. So yeah, I've got that could be quite cool to race. 9, 10. Where's 10? I bet you're all spotting it. Ah, there it is, over here. There's 10, it's the second of the reindeer. 11 up the top here. It's a water bowser. Some of these could be really cool for your racing. So yeah, I'll just try and work out how to get it out of the packaging, because they are in here a bit tight. So yeah, so that could be quite cool. 12, or was that 12? No, that was 11, so we're looking for 12. 12 is just here. Christmas tree. $13 is here. Another sticker. 14 up here. Ooh, that's not going to race. We're not going to go down the track. Explorer, cool thing. So far we've got 3 that I think will race. What was that? 13, 14, 15's over there. Yep, 15 next. Just trying to find where the out, because they've got little pull out bits. It's another sticker. 15. 16. I saw that a second ago. It should get easier as we get on, shouldn't it? There's 18. Where's 17's up there? 16 here. Oh, it's a BMW Mini on its side. That should race well. So we've got at least 4 that are going to race. 17. Is the sleigh. 18 is possibly the Vulcan, because that was what was in front of it, which may not fit down the track. What was that? That was 17, wasn't it? 18, sorry. So 19 is over here. Oh, it's a VW Golf 4-wheel drive. That should be quite cool. A nice red colour. It's interesting how they're using whites and reds and all the rest of it. It's 19, 20. Another car, looks like a BMW 4-wheel drive. I love how detailed the Matchbox models are. They may not be as fast as Hot Wheels, but some of them have been. No, it's a Mercedes. A 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe. What was that? I'm trying to get through this as quickly as possible because otherwise it's going to be a stupid long video, which is what I said. It was the 20th, was it? So I went to 21. Another traffic cone. 22. Oh, it's a Hudson Hornet fire car. That'll be quite cool to race. Oh. So yeah, 23. Santa's chair. 24. The jolly fella himself. So I think that's everything out of there. Dropping it down. So we got the Skidoo that probably won't race, the Beetle that may not race, the Porsche, the rescue truck which looks like an F250, fire engine, this thing that definitely won't race, the Mini Cooper, this which probably won't race because of the wheels, the Golf, the Mercedes and the Hudson Hornet, as well as all the lovely bits there. Going to get this cleared away, get the other one out and try and get down to it as quickly as we can. Interesting thing, the cardboard on this is not as thick, but all the back is so you can't actually see anything. Also, sellotape around the side, but there's a little tab at the top here. So, this is the Hot Wheels 2024 Advent Calendar. And we'll try and get through them, as I say, as quickly as we possibly can. Right, there should only be 8 cars in here. Starting with that one. Yellow Torque Twister. I'm going to try and keep them on. You know, it's difficult to try and get everything in the screen at one time. So just bear with me. Right, Mum's just got back from the hairdressers, so on to 2. Oh, that's cool. Petrol pump. Put that at the front. 3, where's 3? 3's down here. Is a car, maximum leeway. So all of the Hot Wheels ones are, maximum leeway, are Hot Wheels branded because it's cheaper for them to do that. That's 3, where's 4? Here. So I'm having to reach over to try and do all of this. Santa helmet, which obviously will clip onto a car, that's cool. 5. There's a set of the clip-on track wheels. 6. Up here will be car, I think. It is. Oh, cool. Nice colours. It's this one, which is Project Speeder. Nice. What's that? That was, what are we at? 6, so we're at 7. Where's 7? 7 is just here. Big door. There's the Christmas tree. 8. Where's 8? 8's over here. Not quite sure what that is. Something or other that connects something or other to something or other, no doubt. 8. Where's 9? 9's down here. Oh, it's another car. It is the... I don't know which one that one is. Okay. What was that, 9, so we're now looking for 10. It's a big door. Oh, I should jump. And jump. Cool. 11. Excuse me, I'm getting over having this flu bug and cough. It's a reindeer. Different reindeer. That's 11. We're on to 12, which I think is a car. Come on. I'll put the green stuff out to stop the cars running away. Oh, cool. I don't think I've even got one of these. I think this is Mod Rod. Aristo Rat. I love that. It's got a Beatle-esque thing. I can see Keldon Raven driving that one. That's 12. Where's 13? Unlucky for some. Or, if you are Tomley RC, 13 black, lucky for some. Or black 13, lucky for some. He's a snowman, and it's a blue snowman. Very Sharky's Garage. 14's next to it. Is the second reindeer. It's got 2 reindeers. Whether they mix into that one, I don't know. 14. Right, 15. Where's 15? 15 here. I think the doors on the Matchbox are easier to get out because they're there we go. It's the sleigh. Because they're thicker plastic. Not thicker plastic, thicker cardboard. 15, 16 is next. Up the top here, that'll be a car, I think. Yes, it is. Very Princess Sparkles. Well, not quite, but maybe. It's pink, not purple. The other one from earlier. So that's Cyber Speeder. A lot of these fantasy-esque cars you don't tend to see on my channel because I tend to race realistic cars. So that was 16. Where's 17? 19, 20, 17 is this big panel here. Okay, I don't think this will necessarily go down the track, but it is a sleigh with like a skateboardy thing underneath it. 17, 18, off the top here, so I'm trying to get it through as fast as I can, is the annual Happy Holidays coin in blue. So it's very me this year with the blues. 19 we said was down here, and 20 is on the bottom there as well. So it's some skis. 20, maybe another car. It is. It is the what's that one called? I don't know. It's the one that had the solar panel on top. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've probably got one more car to go. That was 20. Where's 21? 21 is over here. It's the Abominable Snowman. I get it with teal. Okay, 21, 22. There's 23. 22 is here. Christmas tree, a second Christmas tree. It's got two Christmas trees, one with a star on, one with red bits sticking out the side and no star on. That was 22. 23 is over here. It's a present. And that leaves 24 over here, which is the last of the cars. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. Very Dodge Viper. Muscle and blown. Okay. So that is the Hot Wheels set with these cars and these facilities. Right, so looking at the two things which are about the same price, to me, I think the Matchbox was a better value for money because you're getting more vehicles, you're getting less of the little plastic bits, and the plastic bits seem to be better of quality. The Hot Wheels got some nice models, some nice race cars, lots of interesting little plastic bits which for a younger one may be better. But yes, so I'll just get the cars rearranged to show you what the cars are, and that will be the running order. And I need to sort out how many I've got and how many people I'm going to get to sign up. Or whether I'm going to sign up at all, but there will be a race off in a few weeks' time. Right, so this one won't fit through the start gate, that one's not going to go anywhere, and that one's not going to work, so we'll put those three to one side. We're starting with Matchbox. There's 8 Matchbox, there's 8 Hot Wheels that will run down the track, starting with the Beetle. So this first pairing will be these two, and then the winner of that will face that, and the winner of that will face that, and the winner of that will face that, etc. down the line. I'm probably going to look for 8 drivers. So unless the first driver stays on, or one of the first pair stays on all the way through, everybody should get 2 drives because there's 16 cars. I'll get all of that sorted. You'll see all of that go up within the next few days, or may have already gone up. I don't know. It depends on the release schedule. I need to look at all of that. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you all again next time.